Behind every part of the Lion, Eclipse, Apex, Delta, and Vector ST lies the story of dedication, craftsmanship, and knowledge. Born from nothing, carefully crafted, they dominate circuits with adrenaline-fueled intensity. From podium to pit lane, the team's contagious joy resonates, celebrating their triumphant journey. As the world grappled with the effects of the COVID-19 crisis, the team adapted to remote working conditions, utilizing technology to collaborate and innovate remotely. With the addition of skilled individuals to Superbike, we were poised to tackle challenges with fresh perspectives and innovative approaches. And this all led to the making of our newest Superbike. This year, there is a new team at the forefront. Stay tuned as we take you on a journey through the evolution of our newest Superbike, pushing the boundaries even further of what's possible. But before we're going to tell you more about this, it's first time to reveal our Superbike.